see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Pakita ko lang sa inyo din yung yung may linagay na yung mga bata. Tawag nun? May silang carrot tsaka milk dun sa table para kay Easter Bunny. Para lang yung, alam mo yung parang Father Christmas. Mayroong biscuit tsaka gatas. So yan. And yan, yun na yun guys. So isi-set up ko lang. Ayan, bukas na lang yung sa labas. And yung oras is 4:05 na guys. And ayun yung carrot tsaka gatas. Pero babawasan ko na yung carrots kasi para maniwala talaga sila na kinain at ininom ni Bunny yung hinanda nila para kay Bunny. Ayan. So yun, good night na guys. And I'm still uploading 22%. Good night, good morning, happy Easter. So ayan, binawasan ko na yung gatas and yan, hinat-ngat na ni Bunny yung carrots. So ayan. So yan, totoo na. Good night and good morning and happy Easter guys. Good morning guys, it's 6 o'clock and ayan, nalagay ko na yung mga Easter eggs kung saan nilayahan yung mga eggs. Ilagay ko na rin sa labas yung iba. And ayan, bumalik lang ako sa loob para kunin yung kanilang ito yung big na gift namin para sa kanilang ngayong Easter. Hinihingal ako, feeling ko para akong nung pagbukas ko ng bahay, feeling ko para akong magnanakaw. Alam niyo yun. Sana mo muna siya magising. Si Jan tulog pa. Silagay natin. So dyan sila sa likod. So hindi ko nilagay ito doon kung saan nila laging nahanap. Doon sa labas, sa harap. So ayan. 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 Pasensya nyo na yung itsura ko. Meron akong tawag na sa mukha kasi yung yan. Tawag yun. Para sa pimples. Ayan na guys. Ayan, hinihingal ako. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo kung saan sila maghahan. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan. 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 Hanggang doon. So, babalik ako after ito. Balik ako sa kwarto. Mag-pretend tayong tulog. Ayan. 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 Andun na naman yung pusang itim. And dito. Ayan. Ayan. And yan. Nakalimutan ko lagyan ng chocolates pero okay lang. Ayan. So yun na guys. Hintayin na lang natin yung mga bata magising. Alam nyo, 1 oras lang yung tulog ko. Wala pa nga siguro kasi parang hindi ba ako nakatulog agad, diba? Alas 4 ako na pumunta sa kwarto. Pero hindi pa ako nakakatulog. So, yeah, it's 6 o'clock or 6:05 na. So, balik tayo sa kwarto. Meron akong, yung sa Mario Badescu na drying lotion. Yung pink. Oy. Naano natin yung chocolate. So, yan, balik na ako ulit sa kwarto. Mamaya na lang. Balik tayo sa Si Jen morning. Say Happy Easter.
Easter.
Ayan. Si Sak gising na sabi ni Jen mag-base ng pajama nila yung bigay ni Auntie Mel nila. So, ayun si Sak. Si Kuya tulog pa. And ako, ayun. Nag-edit ako ng thumbnail.
Yes, t-shirt.
And bihisan ko yung to siya and palitan ko ng napi.
See if there's any Easter eggs.
Not yet, Daddy. Wait. Wait for Kuya TJ. Wait for Kuya TJ. Are you excited? Are you excited? Wait. Say hi, people. Good morning. Good morning. So, hintayin lang natin si Kuya. And, yeah, mag-start na tayo egg hunting, baba. Say boo. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say mahal ko kayo.
Happy tayo.
Good job.
Oh, I got Oreo.
Yes, okay, come on. Hindi pa. Come on. Umuulan kasi kaya ayan, nagmamadali na kami. Oh, go get that one, Baba. Okay, go, Holly. Umuulan. Baba there. Look, that one, Baba. Don't pass that one. Baba there, Baba.
Get that one.
Get that one.
Leave it, Joe.
Leave it. Okay, umuulan. Tingnan mo si Sok, Mama, ipakita. Come on there. Open the door, Baba. Oh, okay, go get it. Go, Holly. And go. Go, hurry up. Go, Baba. Come on, hurry up. Go outside first, Kuya. Here, come on. Come on, Holly. Here, Holly. Holly. Get your egg, Baba. Umuulan na. Bilis, bilis. Hurry up. Nagmamadali eh. Hindi nila nakita. Holly, Holly, Holly. Hurry up, Baba, Baba, Baba. Look, 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 Baba. Baba, Baba. Baba, look that one, Baba. Baba. Look this one. This one, Baba. Big one. Come on, Baba. Aray ko. Come on, hindi pa rin nila nakita yung isa doon. Come on. Yes. Tinitirahan nila si Holly. Well, you have to look. You have to look. Okay. Look at the footprint. Follow the footprint. Baba, get all the eggs. Tinitirahan nila si Holly ng eggs. Oh. Go, Baba. Go, Baba. Aray ko. Aray ko, no. Baba. Oh, that's... Kuya. Kuya. Sak. Sak. Here, Sak, Holly, get this one, Holly. Come on, it's raining. Hurry up. Here, come on, Baba, get that one. Hold, Mommy, hold this, Mommy, hold this. Okay, puno na yung bag niya. Yung bunny. Ayan pa. Come on. Okay, get that one. Okay, come on. Oh, come on, the ants. Come on, Baba. There's ants. Come on. Did you find it? Okay. Come on, you have to look. Yeah.
There's more in the back.
There's still more there.
Where? There's none there now. Come on.
I got all of it.
Holly, hurry up, Baba. Baba, hurry up, Baba. Come on. Wait, can you please help for wait for Holly? Run, Baba, run, Baba, run.
Oh my God, look at yours. Full, Baba.
I know, go. Run, Baba, hold this. Come on, Holly, here, Baba. There's a lot here, Baba. Come on. Ayun na. Na-find out na ni Kuya yung... Go, hurry up, Baba. Ayun na. Is that yours? You have to find your sack. There's more on the ground. There's more. Come on, Baba. It's raining na. Come on, hurry up. Oh, my camera. Hindi nag-worry na mababasa yung mga bata. Worry sa mga... Hoy! Okay, get all this. Holly, find yours, Baba. Baba, here, Baba. Get the biggest one first. Ayan, ang dami pa. Umuulan na. Come on. Okay, I'll hold that for you. Okay, yeah. Okay, hurry. Come on. Did you find yours, Zach? Okay. Baba, wait, Holly's in the trampoline. Yeah, Holly's in the trampoline getting some. Oops, okay. Oh, mommy, hold it. Okay, Baba. Oh, can you get... Ay, umuulan na. Umuulan na. There's more here, Zach. There, oh. Come on, hurry up. Ba't naman kasi umuulan? Come on, it's alright, Zach. Come on, ha, Kuya, hurry up. Holly, hurry up. It's raining. It's alright. Get that one. Come on. Okay, come on. It's raining, Baba, come on. Here, I got it. There's more there for you. Go, run. There, Baba. Here, Baba, here, there. There's, yeah. Okay, get that one. Okay, go. Okay, get that one, Baba. Okay, that's for Holly. I put in your bag first, cook sack. Okay, it's right. Okay, oh, come on, Baba. There's more here for you. There, big one, baby. Oh, there. There's, yeah. Here, Baba. Look, oh, Baba. Here. Got that one. Look, here. Come on, hurry up. Good job. Here, Mommy's holding it. Come on, let's go. It's raining. Run. Oh, it's raining. Come on, it's raining. Come on. Okay. Come on, there's more here. Umuulan na kasi. There's more here. Oh my God. Come on, Baba. Come on.
She did put some Easter eggs out.
Baba, here's your eggs, so.
Oh wait, she put an Easter egg out there.
Baba, here's your eggs. There's more eggs there, Baba. Put this first, Baba.
Can I put some in mine?
That's for Holly. I put some for Holly. That's Holly. This is Holly. Okay, put this one here. Wait, yeah. Yeah, okay.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter, guys. Look what they got. Ayan kay Kuya. Ayan kay Holly. Ayan, and Isak and si Sok, oh, pagising niya, meron na siyang ganyan sa mata niya. Oh, may kumagat ata sa kanya, pero merong something dyan, oh.
Dinosaur pajamas. Because this is the book that I got.
Yes, so can you show me? Are you happy what you got?
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Holly, say thank you.
Easter Bunnies.
Oh. Thank you. Is it too heavy? Are you gonna share with mommy?
Yeah, I'm a toy. I got toy.
Yeah,
I got toy. This
You
is
got-
the funniest toy.
Okay, come
I
on.
like Easter. Me too. And I like
Magpa-doktor kami
Halloween.
mamaya. Kasi tingnan nyo, oh.
I like Halloween.
Umiyak siya pag tingin niya sa salamin.
No, Holly didn't get the most because she had the lid. Holly had the smaller, so that means I've got more than her. And what means I have the same? That we have the same. We have the same age. So I'm really up to top.
Oh, lots of eggs. Okay.
I got two. Because I can find with my knife.
Okay.
Dad, toys. Dad, I got Oreo chocolate.
The Oreo. Ayan. Ah, ngayon pa lang nila napansin yung
Easter bunny.
ayan, yung carrots.
Sorry.
Oh, bring yours, Papa.
More Easter eggs.
I got safari. Hello.
Yeah, wow. That's nice. What you got? Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh no.
Yes.
Wow. Holly, show it to daddy. Show it to daddy.
Marshmallow egg. What's that?
Ayan, kagabi naglaro sila nung ano, letters.
Yes.
Wow. Say thank you.
Thank you. Dad, look.
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, Easter Bunny. Dad. Dad.
Do you like it?
Dad, look what Easter Bunny gave me.
Oh.
Wow, that's for golf because Easter Bunny knows
Look.
that you're playing
And
golf.
Dad.
Wow, what's that, Baba?
I got two in case I lost one.
Yes.
It's a t-shirt.
Wow.
You might? Yeah. Nearly.
Wow, what's that? What t-shirt is that, Zach?
I don't know what
Is it, what's that, crocodile, Han?
Dad, I need scissors.
Holly, what you got, Baba? Did you show it to Daddy? Si Holly wala siyang clothes kasi marami na siyang clothes na nabili ko nung nagpunta ako ng Adelaide. Wow! So, ayan na. What for? Wait, Baba. Kuya, careful. Careful, Kuya. Let Daddy do it now. Let Daddy do it. So you won't cut the foot. Kuya, give it to Dad. Sak? Are you
Look
alright?
at the animals I can't.
Ngayon pa yan nakagat ng ano kung ano man yan. Bastos yun na. Please. Oh, where's your headband, Baba?
Mama.
Oh, wow, you got one. Because I don't think so. She has that what you call that that one. She does. Yeah, I don't think she has that one. So
Marshmallow eggs.
you have to share it to her, okay?
Okay. And
Thank you. Yes.
Ah!
Oh, that's a lot. Easter egg trolley.
Small packet.
It's alright. That's good. That's a lot.
My favorite is pizza.
And burger.
this.
Let me see yours.
This one and burger. I really like all of them. I really like. Mom.
Yung bag na yan, ayan, sa salvation yan ibibigay. What's wrong?
Zed, that's still up there.
The egg, Baba. Let me see, Han. Oh, Kuya, here's all the safari.
Sorry. What's the Easter egg for? To eat Easter eggs?
Yes.
I'm having.
But no, Daddy gonna make pancake. Daddy gonna make pancake for us.
Daddy, do my part.
Holly.
I want to eat this.
Okay, you try it. It's really good, that one. I love that. Trinay ko yan kagabi. Ang sarap.
I'll eat the big one next.
Good?
This
You don't need them, Baba.
Baba, wow! You got big. What you guys say to Daddy? Baba! Uy, what you guys say to Daddy? Busy siya,
What's
oh.
yours?
What you gonna say to Daddy, Baba?
Yeah, not yet, Bob.
Holly! Holly! You have to wash that. What you gonna say to Daddy? Oh, mommy has to wash it because it's dirty. Yeah. Wash it first, Baba. Kuya, can you wash it for her, please? That one. Just rinse it and then put water. Say thank you, Kuya. Say thank you. So, come here. Show your eyes, Baba. Ayan, oh. Come here. Closer. Mapula siya sa ano. Is it hurt, Sa? Umiyak talaga siya. Kani, no.
Sophie.
Right, pasta.
Ah, that's right. In Bali. Oo, nangyari yan kay So. Yeah. Paggising niya, di ba nasa bed kami ni Jan siya ni Holly. And then, okay pa siya. Nung tumingin siya sa salamin, hindi namin alam. Umiiyak na pala siya kasi silent lang yung iyak niya. Tapos, chinek ni Jan. Sabi ni Jan, bakit di mo sinabi sa amin? Tapos, takot na siya. Oh, that's enough, Kuya, because we're gonna eat pancake later, okay? Later.
Pancake?
Yes.
Then why aren't you fishing?
Huh?
Not today.
What's wrong?
Mom,
Ano? People look daw, oh.
that's pizza. That's pizza. Why is that?
Huh?
The hot dog?
Hot dog. Easter. Easter egg.
Mom, can I help?
Not yet, kuya. Later.
That.
After breakfast, you can eat.
Eat one of these.
Yeah, unlimited today. Unlimited sila kumain ngayon. Wow. Okay, Daddy will prepare our Easter egg. Kuya, where's the cover for this one? Put it back, please. Thank you.
You put them
So, ayan na ang kalat. Kalat. And malapit nang ma-upload yung vlog for today. Excited ako doon kasi ano yun, nag-mukbang kami for Good Friday.
Mama, don't know what sex is saying. Blue.
Ha?
I'm like,
Naglilinis na si Daddy, ah. And naalala nila yung nandun sa may doon sa may kwarto nila yung bigay ng tita mo. Ayan na si Oli. Oh, yes. Ayan. Yeah, okay. You can open that one.
whoa, we have wood. Time to open it.
Oh, Daddy will open it later, Papa. Naalala lang nila. Yes. Ayan yung kay Holly, yung sabi ko sa inyo kagabi na binuksan niya na, ayan, oh. Kinuha ni Sak sa ref. Kawawa, nawala na siya ng mata, oh. Yeah, that's Zachary. And it's Humpy Dumpy. And this one. This is yours, Baba. Here. It's open. You open it.
You open, remember?
Nagkakagulo. Ang dami na nilang chocolate, pero nagkakagulo pa rin sila.
How
Baba.
does Holly know how to open?
Because she's big girl now.
Really big. I'm getting bigger.
You are getting bigger. All of you.
Holly's on the.
Anong ginagawa niyo?
Mom, I'm not watching the movie. He wasn't.
Oh. What's this?
A heart.
What?
Heart.
A home for all the animals. Ayan na, oh. Ginawa na nilang fence yung nila, mga Easter eggs, saka yung shorts and t-shirt. Ayan, yung mga animals nila. Ayan. And Daddy and Holly are busy sa kitchen. Making pancakes. That pink one, it's better the pink one. It's cleaner, babe. There's a wider there, That's alright, that one. Daddy's
What do you have on it?
strawberry jam. I don't think so. We have cream. We don't have cream now.
That move. What are you allowed?
Kuya, do you remember? Like Daddy's cow's cage or what you call that?
Cattle yard.
Yeah, cattle yard.
Where
Yes.
you put cows into the truck.
Yes. Right? It's look like it.
Sorry, look like that. I'm getting all this. This is clean.
Yeah.
It's better than the other one. No, I need one more. Dad, I'm getting all this.
Ayan, tapos na silang kumain. Nandun kasi ako sa kwarto. Inaasikaso ko yung yung upload. So, ayan, si Sak tapos na.
It's finished.
Yeah, and how is it? What you have? With what? Jam? Strawberry jam? And what? Hey, Papa!
Dad, Mom.
Oh, you're watching.
Mom,
Is that mine, Han?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mom, I just started.
Oh, you just started. Okay. What's the Baba? Kuya, Sak, put it back, please.
Running Man.
Yan. Wala kasing cream. Masarap to pag may cream.
Sarah and Doc. What?
Sarah and Doc. Gusto niya yung channel na yan. Oh, Sarah and Doc. Thanks, son. Ayan na, guys. Kain.
Pizza.
Yes, okay. Okay, we're gonna close the vlog. Okay, come on. Close the vlog. Are you full? Okay, come on. Let's close the vlog. Baba, close the vlog. Come here. Let's close the vlog, everyone. Ayan. Ayan yung mess kagabi, oh. Yung pinaglaruan nilang ABC letters. Okay, come on. Come on. Let's close the vlog.
High five.
Oh, come on. Come on, let's close the vlog. Say bye, guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
And say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Okay, please like, Holly.
Please like.
Please subscribe.
Please
If you
subscribe.
haven't yet.
If you haven't yet.
See you
on our next vlog.
Okay, bye, guys. Ayan, oh, binubuksan na nila yung kanilang mga lollies. So,
Mom.
unlimited lollies sila today. And they can do whatever they want.
Yeah!
Hindi sila mag...
racing.
No! Oh, because you're gonna have a sore belly. And they can, yeah.
Do
It's allow
anything.
sila mag-messy ngayon. Yeah, anything.
Can we do it on every Easter?
Baba, don't-
Mom, can we do it on every Easter? We can do anything.
Yes, and tomorrow what we're gonna do?
Clean up.
Yeah, so tomorrow
Or you can
we're gonna clean. Today they can make a mess.
Whoa.
Huh? You can make a mess. And tomorrow we're gonna clean up. Okay, bye. Oh, halik na. Okay, I'll open. Bye.
some pizza?
Say Happy Easter. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, open ko
But
na
you're
ito.
eating the pizza first. Oh, I am.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.